Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Vizag Explorers. Yes, many of you guys are asking about the best budget stays very close to railway station or in the heart of the city. Here is the part 1 of that video guys. You can call the number and just book the stays. So guys, this is one room. Very close to our railway station or bus stand or anything. Very close to Jagadamba also. You will get TV and let's check the washroom also. Washroom is also good, and the total capacity can be around 5 members here. You can have a AC or non-AC room for this. Okay, this is the double occupancy room guys. Room for 2 people. And this is the washroom. Washroom also pretty clean. Good. AC room. AC or non-AC? Yeah. This is one more 2 persons occupancy room. This is. So it can come with AC or non-AC. If you're not using AC, it will be a non-AC room. You will get one TV. And let's look at the washroom also. Washroom is also good. So I can just say it like this is the best and budget stays in the heart of the city. So you'll be staying very close to bus stands or railway station also. And the main center Jagadamba complex is also very nearby. So you get some CCTV coverage also, and Wi-Fi also you'll be getting. Rooms are very good. They're pretty decent rooms. Good. The only thing is you don't be having any lift for this. So you have a first floor and second floor, and the rooms are also pretty decent. See, the budget stays guys. Budget stays. I'm providing you the budget stays. So guys, that's the railway station road, and this is our resort. To book the resort, please contact the number provided. You will get lift also. Lift facility is also there. So you will get lift also. Lift facility is also there. So guys, this is one more stay. Very close to railway station and very close to bus stand also. All these are budget stays I'm showing you guys. You will get a TV, and this is the washroom. So I'm just showing you the basic stays. So very budget friendly stays I'm showing you guys, and you can get Wi-Fi also, and CC cams protection will also be there. So this is the vehicle's parking space. So the checkout time would be 11 AM guys. If you are interested in the stays, you can just directly call the number provided and just tell the code, and we can just directly book the stays there. And this is just the part 1 of many such videos. Please like, share.